Ang magkakampi, tatlo sila Flores. Kayo pa rin, Sir Paul, yung magkakampi kanina. Tabi-tabi kayo. Ayan. Okay, ayan. Okay, sige, kilala na. Okay, game. For our last game. Next open match, umuwi na agad sila team. Agad na sila. Okay, anyway. Sige, for our last game for tonight. Game 10. Number 23, Bustamante. Good. Bantayan kayo para maganda. Lupo, huli ni EJ. Takbo na. EJ, Tuamaro. 2 points. Isasayangin niya ni Tian. To number 12, Sir Paul. Cross. Uy! Huli ni EJ. Fast break naman kay Amaro. Amaro. Huli. To number 29. Uy! Hindi mo ni Lupo. Good by Lupo. Bustamante.
Nalaglag yung susi mo.
Number 1, no good. Rebound number 22 to number 7. No. Number 6 for the rebound. To number 23, Bustamante. Bustamante, cross. 1 rebound. On the right side to number 12. To number 23. Takes the shot. 2 points. To number 22. Tian on the move. Takes the shot. Cedric. No. Pushing for Ronald. Moving in number 22 to number 7. Number 7, Navarro. Ay! 2 points. Juman Navarro na shot. Number 1, huli. No. Oy, bad pass. Opponent's ball. Pass break opportunity kay Amaro. Nakita ko naman. Signature mo kayo. Totoo talaga ako naalala ko. Yung trending sa TikTok, yun na po yun. Tapos di ba may drawing? Siya yun. Oo, siya yun. Million views yun. Siya yun. Piniwalan niya sa mukha. Huli ni Amaro. Amaro na naman. Cross. To number 22. Huli ni Lugo. Number 6 on the move. Number 6 takes the shot. No good. Again, 2 points. Number 26, Flores. To the right side, thank you, brother. Number 7, Push-up. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Ingat, thank you. Numbers. Oy, no good for the first shot. Last throw. Yes, sir. 12-4. To number 12, Sir Paul for a point. No. To number 22, EJ. Wow! Grabe naman si EJ. Ang haba ng araw. Galing sa 3-point yun, Jay, ha? 4-4. 4 point! Wow! 4! EJ. The number 7. No. The number 23. Number 23. Bustamante bounce pass, huli ni EJ to number 7, Alvaro, stop. Range niya yan. 3, Alvaro.
Change card na lang. Basket change card.
Basket change court tayo. Lubo on the move to number 6, to the left side to number 12, pusher ball, no good. Basket opportunity to number 7, Pia na naman. Plays, no good. Rebounding serve ball to Lubo to number 6, floor point na naman. No good. Rebounding Flores, number 26 to number 29. Number 29 on the left side to Dian. Dian for 3. No good. Number 6, pass break opportunity to serve ball. No good. Rebounding Cedric. Cedric on the move. Cedric for point. Pista mo na. No. Rebounding number 6, Lubo. Kanino nagkaiyan? Huli ni Cedric. Jason! Kala ko makuha ko Gusto natin, inside pass, serve ball, no goal. Ulit. Grabe naman yung EJ, to Flores, to Tian, to number 29, Skyler, Kapikan, Setoy, number 6, Lugo, Sinainit. Gusto natin, simple, 2 points, 10-17. Number 22, EJ on the move. Takes the 4 point, no good. Rebounding number 6. Roy! Lugo up and under. Pass to number 12, Sir Paul. 2 points para kay Sir Paul. Number 7. Flores to number 26, Clyde. To number 7, Abaro. 4 point, Lugo. 4 point. The last 3 minutes remaining in the game. Cedric. Pasa sa ilalim. Huli ni Montenegro. Good defense. Huli na naman ng EJ. Inside. Clyde. 2 points para kay Clyde. Serve ball. Nagmamadali sa gitna, pinasakay mo sa mate. No, sa bigay. To EJ. Oy! Single step shoot mo. Ay, sayang. To number 23. Bamulit. Oy! Scooty. To number 26, Clyde takes the shot, no good. To number 12, Sir Paul. To number 1, Thompson. No, EJ gets the ball, fast break opportunity. Kay Clyde, Clyde na naman. Taping ka kanino? Kay Lugo ang bola, Lugo. Cross. In the middle, 2 points. Para Lugo 22-19. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining. Inside pass to number 29. No, Montenegro denying the offense. Sipag ni Montenegro sa depensa. Uy! Good defense by Montenegro. Baro fires. Rebound na naman ni Montenegro. Fast break opportunity. Lugo, layan. 2 points. 21-22. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. Napagod na. Uy! Good. Lugo number 6. Airs. 2 points. 23-22. Napagod ang depensa. EJ. Lugo to their ball. points. Lobo sa tatlo ang kalabangan. Last 40 seconds. EJ Abaro. Abaro. Cross. Side step. Huli ni Montenegro. Goalkeeper pa ni Montenegro. Bustamante to number 20. Oy, rebound kanino. Opponent's ball.
Play ball.
Same ball. Serve ball. Opponent's ball. Tapik ni serve ball.